Hi guys, welcome back to Cheesy Crafts. Today I have a very simple, cute project using some of the ribbon that I received from Cindy from the Christmas embellishment box exchange. And the very first thing when I saw this ruffled ribbon is that I could do some really cute paper clips. So I don't even know if it's worth sharing, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And also using the little tool that she gave me. I don't know if you guys remember, she had it wrapped around a little bag with I think the rosettes in there. So I'm gonna be using that. I'm gonna move it off the side, but let me see, let me grab I have my paper clips over here, but let me grab, I think I'm gonna stick with making them on silver because I also have rose gold, but I don't have any rose gold. I'll just stick with making them on silver. So I have a regular jumbo size paper clip. Let me get that. And the first thing I want to do is, like I said, she sent me this glittery tool that you can't really see, but it's ever so pretty because the glitter just shines through. I'm going to cut probably about 3/4 of an inch, 2 strips, and then I'm going to cut those strips in 2, which is going to give me 4. And it doesn't have to be straight, as you guys can see, because I can't cut. So I'm just gonna roughly cut that and cut that again. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to grab 2 and slide them in here, but I want them to be, I don't want to slide them together, because if I slide them together, more than likely they're going to go in the same direction together, and I want it to be random. Does that make sense? Not random, but you know what I mean. Okay, so they're all scatterbrained right now, if you guys can see. I know it's kind of hard. So I'm just putting a little bit of, and this is tools, so be careful because obviously you're gonna burn yourself. Be pre-warned. Just give it a little squeeze with your fingers and it makes that little blob there. And then let's do a pink one of these because, like I said, I didn't do a good job with the other pink one and the ornament. So just measuring where I want to cut and just cutting through. And now before I do anything else, I'm going to kind of, not obviously, just do a little bit on the edges so that it prevents, well, it's not going to prevent it obviously as time goes on, but it will help to make the frame last a little bit longer. And so I'm just gonna squeeze it here at the bottom, and then I'm gonna try to put 1 dot on the back, squeeze that, and then push it to the back, and then 1 dot on the front and squeeze that. Okay, and then we'll shape that. We'll shape it in a little bit. Now we're going to add our additional tool strips. Let me move that. And just put it in there. And then the second one. Slide it in there so they're going in like different directions. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna just add a little bit of a dot, not too much. Put it in there and then do the same thing in the back. Oops. As close to the clip as you can and give it a squeeze. And now your hands are sticky. Okay. You're just gonna have to play with it a little bit. Okay, let me add one here just so that this corner bends in a little bit. I don't want it sticking out so much. Okay, so that's kind of okay. Now to tie it all together, we're going to use this additional ribbon and we're going to make a little overloop. Is that what it's called? I don't even know if that's what it's called. Okay, so I want to put a little bit of glue on the ribbon, not because I need to play with it before I secure it down. So probably like right there. Okay. And then I'm gonna squeeze while putting the additional and then just going over it one more time. Sorry, it's just I got glue all over my nails. And this glue, I just bought this glue sticks because my son had a project to do for science and I ran out of glue sticks, so I went out to Michael's. And this, I did notice that these glue sticks were way more, like it leaves more hairlines of glue and more, it's more messy, I don't know. So I'm just gonna bring that over. And then I'm gonna cut here. I'm gonna do the last little piece and then just bring it over. And now you have a messy, cute paper clip. Sorry, I'm telling you, this glue stick is absolutely bananas on how many hair, I say they're hairlines, but they're obviously they're not hairlines, just like leftover of the glue. And this is the little paper clips that I've made using the ribbon and the crafts that I was given with the embellishment box from Cindy. And here's the third one that I'm not so sure about. I really love the bow. Maybe I should put like a bow on these, but I don't know. I like them like that. It's like simple but cute, you know? And like the ribbon is so cute because it's like ruffled. Let's put that. See? And that is our fluffy paperclip idea. Very simple. I think this is what I'm definitely going to be using. It also goes along with my So this is the Santa Baby collection. This was, I think, project 1, maybe project 2 that we did using that collection. But I also have my own Christmas daily notebook that I did. So as you can see, guys, it also works really well with the peppermint collection, which is what I'm using for my Christmas daily. I haven't worked on this since the last video, but just wanted to show you really quick that obviously these colors also match for what I'm using for my Christmas daily, and to show you that you could be resourceful and think of different ways to use stuff that maybe you didn't know you. So anyways, you guys, that is a quick short video. I just wanted to show you crafts that you could do, well, crafts that I did with the stuff that was given to me from Cindy. And I don't know about this one, honestly. Like, I love these. I think this one's okay. But my daughter seemed really interested in it. I think she just likes the ornament. And she asked if she could use it as a bookmark. So I think I'm going to end up giving this to her, because she like literally just walked over and was like wondering what I was doing. And yeah, I think I'll just give this to her. But definitely wanted to show you guys how simple and how cute this ribbon is, because it's all ruffled. It makes the decoration for the paper clips so much easier and fluffy and cute. And of course the glitter ties in like the Christmas feel to it, in my opinion. But that's gonna be it for today, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.